Hello everyone, welcome to Sharadamma Academy. In this video, we will learn about ABACUS kit. How we are using ABACUS kit for solving the problems. So this is ABACUS kit. It is enclosed in an outer frame. It is having one center bar which is called answer bar or value bar. It is having number of rods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. This is a 13 rod abacus kit. It is having upper bead and lower beads. The answer will be calculated based on number of beads attached to this answer bar. The beads which are present above the answer bar are called upper bead and its value is 5. And the beads which are present below the answer bar are called lower beads and each bead is having value 1. The movements of beads is performed by using two fingers. One is thumb, another is a index finger. Upper bead is moved by using index finger, adding and removing from the answer bar, and lower beads are moved by using both fingers, index finger and thumb. Currently its value is 0. Why? Because not a single bead is attached to this answer bar. So as you can see here, on black circle rods are there 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So that indicates that is a ones rod. So you can select any one rod as a ones rod. The next rod is tens rod, 100 rod, 1000 rod, 10,000 rod, lakhs, 10 lakhs and so on. So you can select any one rod as a ones rod. So I am selecting this rod as a ones rod. Why? Because I have marked here. So this is my ones rod. So let's represent numbers from 1 to 100 on this kit. 1, 2, 3, 4. To represent 5, we have to remove all 4 lower beads and attach upper bead to the answer bar. Its value is 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. To represent 10, we have to find out the place value. So 10 indicates 0 in the ones rod, 1 in the tens rod. So select ones rod and tens rod. This is tens rod. 1 in the tens rod, 0 in the ones rod. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. To represent 20, we have to remove all beads from ones rod and add 1 to the tens rod. So 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. To represent 30, we have to remove all beads from ones rod and add 1 to the tens rod. So 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. To represent 40, remove all beads from ones rod, add 1 to the tens rod. 40, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So to represent 50, add upper bead in the tens rod and remove all beads from the ones rod. So add 5. So 5, 0. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. To represent 60, remove all beads from ones rod, add 1 to the tens rod. 6, 0. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. To represent 70, remove all beads from ones rod, add 1 to the tens rod. 7, 0. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. To represent 80, remove all beads from ones rod, add 1 to the tens rod. 80, 8, 0, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Add 1 to the tens rod, remove all beads from ones rod. 9, 0. 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 in the ones rod. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Now to represent 100, we have to identify 100 rod, tens rod, ones rod. 100 rod, 10 rod, ones rod. So remove all beads from ones rod and tens rod. Why? Because 1, 0, 0. 1 in the 100 rod, 0 in the tens rod and 0 in the ones rod. 100.